Pip the Gopher was lost, completely and utterly lost. After the thrilling IPO of Tunnel Corp, he was determined to find the next big winner. He spent days at the Great Forest Exchange, studying the performance of other small companies, but all he saw was a secret alien language. A confusing mess of red and green bars, strange spiky candles, and mysterious lines that seemed to have no logic. He felt like he was staring at a treasure map written in a language he couldn't understand. Frustrated, he took one of the most confusing charts to the wise badger. "I don't get it," Pip said, pointing at the chart. "This looks like random scribbles. How can anyone predict the future from this?" The wise badger chuckled. "You cannot predict the future, Pip, but you can understand the past. A stock chart is not a crystal ball. It is a history book written in the language of the market. And today," he said, "we will learn the first 3 words of that language: price, volume, and trend." The badger drew a simple blank chart on a large piece of bark. "The first and most important word is price," he said. He drew a simple line moving from left to right. "This line shows you the story of the price over time. When it goes up, the company is doing well, or people think it will do well. When it goes down," he added, drawing the line downwards, "the company is doing poorly, or people are scared." "That's it?" Pip asked, disappointed. "That seems too simple." "Ah, but a simple line doesn't tell the whole story. For that, you need the second word: volume." He drew a series of small vertical bars at the bottom of the chart. Some were short, some were tall. "Volume tells you how many animals were trading that day. It is a measure of emotion. It shows you how much the crowd agrees with the price." He pointed to a moment where the price line went up, but the volume bars below were very small. "See this? The price went up, but almost nobody was trading. This is a weak, unconvincing move. It's like one squirrel shouting that the price is good, but nobody else is listening." Then he pointed to another moment where the price line shot up and the volume bars below were huge. "And this? The price shot up and everyone was trading. This is a strong, powerful move. The entire market agrees with this new price. High volume confirms the story that the price is telling." Pip was starting to understand. Price was the story. Volume was the emotion behind the story. "But how do I know which direction the story is going?" he asked. "An excellent question. For that, you need the third and most powerful word: trend." The badger took his chalk and drew a straight, upward-sloping line that connected all the low points of the price chart. "This is an uptrend. When the price is consistently making higher highs and lower lows, the story is positive. The buyers are in control." Then he drew a straight downward-sloping line that connected all the high points of a different falling chart. "And this is a downtrend. When the price is consistently making lower highs and lower lows, the story is negative. The sellers are in control. Your job as an investor, Pip, is not to guess the future. It is simply to identify the trend and decide if you want to ride along with it." Pip looked at the chart again. It was no longer random scribbles. He could see the story. He could see the emotion, and he could see the direction. He had learned the first few words of a new, powerful language. He knew he still had a lot to learn about the more complex sentences and paragraphs of the market, the mysterious candle shapes and advanced indicators. But for the first time, the map was no longer alien. He could read it. He now felt ready to analyze any company. But as he looked at the charts of all the different businesses in the forest, a new massive problem appeared. There were hundreds of them, big ones, small ones, some in an uptrend, some in a downtrend. How could he possibly keep track of all of them? How could he know if the entire forest was in an uptrend or a downtrend? He was about to discover the single most important number in the entire market. Subscribe to Gopher Business to learn what a stock market index is.